Hi students, this is Victor sir here from Emmanuel's Pedagogue. Nice to meet you once again on a session of YouTube wherein I'll be teaching you the fundamentals of mathematics. And today's topic that we'll be looking at is eliminating decimals. Children, this is one of the important part of maths which you need to know. Okay? So in your standard 8th and 10th, 9th and 10th, when you will be solving algebraic sums, there will be many times that you will be coming across these decimal numbers. And whenever you come across a decimal number, you find it very difficult to solve that algebraic expression. So in that case, it is very much necessary that you need to remove the decimal points and then you need to solve the sum. So how am I gonna do it? Okay, so let's see, have a look here. Say if there is a number 0.5, okay, and I need to remove this decimal point. So I'll first look at whether after this point how many numbers do I have. After the point I have one number, so I'll multiply 0.5 by 10. If I multiply it by 10, I need to divide it also by 10. So this becomes what? 0.5 into 10 is 5 upon 10. That means point, after point if you have one number, then the number becomes 5 upon 10. So if it is 0.6, it becomes 6 upon 10. If it is 0.25, what is the number after the decimal point? Two numbers. So it becomes 25 upon 100. Say if it is 0.86, okay, so what this becomes? This becomes 86 upon 100. So you'll see 1.82. After point you have how many numbers? Two numbers. So it becomes 182 upon 100. To remove, this is how you remove the decimal point. So to remove a decimal point of a particular number, what you do is you multiply it by the multiples of 10. Okay, so you multiply it by 10 or you multiply it by 100. If it is a two digits are there after the decimal point, you will multiply it by 100. If 3 digits are there, say if it is 0.125, then what you will do? It's 0.125. Okay, 0.125 is multiplied by 100. If you multiply it by 100, you need to divide it by 100 also. So 0.125 into 100 gives me what? 125 upon 100. So 0.125 can be written as 125 upon 100. That is, you are writing a decimal number in this form. Okay, so this is one of the things that you have to remember. Now say we'll be seeing how to remove a decimal point in a equation. Say you have an equation 0.35x minus 12 equals to minus 0.15x. Now say this is an equation that you have and I need to solve this equation after removing the decimal point. तो यहाँ पे इसका decimal point how am I gonna remove? So देखो क्या करना है तुमको. सबसे पहला देखो कि ऐसा नंबर जिसका पॉइंट के बाद हाईएस्ट नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स क्या है. जैसे कि पॉइंट के बाद यहाँ पे 2 डिजिट्स है, यहाँ पे पॉइंट्स के बाद क्या है? 2 डिजिट है, बराबर. तो हाईएस्ट डिजिट, नंबर ऑफ डिजिट पॉइंट के बाद क्या है? 2. तो तुम इसको थ्रू आउट किससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे? 100 से थ्रू आउट करना है, ठीक है. मल्टीप्लाइंग थ्रू आउट बाय 100. So throughout you will be multiplying it by what? You will be multiplying it by 100. So when I multiply throughout by 100, what happens? This becomes 100 into 0.35x. Okay, this becomes minus 100 into 12. This becomes 100 into minus 0.15x. So 100 into 0.35. ये पॉइंट निकल जाएगा और ये हो जाएगा 35x. ये हो जाएगा 1200. ये क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस 15x, 15x. So this 15x comes here, so it becomes 35 plus 15x, right? When a negative number comes to the left hand side, what happens? It becomes positive. And when minus 1200 comes to the right hand side, it becomes positive. So 35x plus 15x. See, you know how to solve this. You'll add it directly because they are like terms. They have same variable. Okay, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 50x, right, will be equals to 1200. Now x will be equal to 50. When it goes to the other side, it becomes divided by, and then your answer will be 24. If you divide it, your answer will be 24. Okay children, so this is how you have eliminated this. Now say the elimination, will be seeing it in a different way also. Okay, we'll be looking at it in a different way. Now this I did by multiplying throughout by 1000. Is there any other method also to solve the same sum? Yes, there is another method. So let me write down the question first. 0.35x minus 12 equals to minus 0.15x. Okay, so children, 0.35 is nothing but 35 upon 100. मैंने तुमको सिखाया, राइट? जैसे कि 0.2 is 2 upon 10, 0.12 is 12 upon 100. In the same way, 0.35 is what? 35 upon 100 minus 12 equals to, ये क्या हो जाएगा? minus 0.15 will be minus 15 upon 100x. अब मैंने कल बताया था कि फ्रैक्शंस कैसा निकालना है डिनोमिनेटर का. ठीक है, डिनोमिनेटर में जो नंबर है उसका एलसीएम निकालना है और उसको थ्रू आउट मल्टीप्लाई करना है उससे. तो अब ये 100 है, ये 100 है, 100 और 100 का एलसीएम क्या है? 100 ही है ना. तो अभी मैं इसको पूरा किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेगा? 100 से, राइट? ये 100 कैंसिल, ये 100 कैंसिल, बच क्या गया? 35x minus 1200 equals to minus 15x. Then you solve this further, you get the same answer. Okay children, so even this is one of the method where you can solve by removing the fractions. Okay children, so I hope you understood. We'll be doing one more sum. Okay, let us look at one more example. Okay, so that you understand it in a better way. Okay, so it's 0.75x minus 0.65 ब्रैकेट में 13 minus x equals to 8.35. नाउ सी, पॉइंट के बाद सबसे ज़्यादा डिजिट कौन सा है? पॉइंट के बाद 2 है, इधर पॉइंट के बाद 2 है, यहाँ पे भी पॉइंट के बाद 2 है. मतलब मुझे किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है इसको? 100 से. तो आई राइट मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय 100 थ्रू आउट. So what will happen children? This becomes 100 into 0.75x, right? Right now? Now again what will happen? This will also get multiplied by 100. 100 into 0.65 and in bracket you will have 13 minus x. And this is 100 into 8.35. Okay children? So this becomes 75x. 100 into 0.65 will give me 65. Point निकल जाएगा. 13 minus x. 100 into 8.35 is 835. Right children? Now what you will do? You will multiply. This will be 75x minus 65 into 13 will give you 845. Then 65 into x will be 65x. ये 65 दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, बराबर? और ये 835 जैसा है वैसा रहेगा. अब मैं टर्म्स को रीअरेंज करेगा. वेरिएबल टर्म्स को साथ में लाना है. ये वेरिएबल है, ये दोनों को मैंने साथ में रखा है. ये माइनस 845 दूसरी जगह पे गया तो हो जाएगा प्लस 845, राइट? सो 75 प्लस 65 कितना हो गया? 140x हो गया. और 835 और 845 कितना हो गया? 1680 हो गया. सो x इज इक्वल टू 1680 अपॉन 140. सो इट गिव्स मी 12. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो आई होप दैट यू अंडरस्टूड व्हाटएवर आई टॉट यू. गेटिंग? क्या करना है तुमको? और एक सम देखते हैं, ठीक है? फिर उसके बाद आई विल एंड द सेशन and I'll send you some important questions too. Okay, so it's 0.015x minus equal to 0.2 minus 0.025x. Okay, अब देखो पॉइंट के बाद कितने नंबर है? ये पॉइंट के बाद 3 नंबर है, यहाँ पे पॉइंट के बाद 1 नंबर है, यहाँ पे पॉइंट के बाद 3 नंबर है. सो विच इज द हाईएस्ट नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स आफ्टर द डेसिमल पॉइंट? 3. So I'll multiply it by 1000. Multiply by 1000 throughout. Okay children, I hope that you're understanding whatever I'm teaching you. 100 into 0.015x equals to 1000 into 0.2, then you have minus sign is there, then again you have 1000 into 0.025x. now 1000 से multiply किया तो सारा points निकल जाएगा. what will be left is 15x. what will be left is 0015 means 15. okay, so now here 0.2, ये point निकालने के लिए you just require 1 0, right? so what this becomes ये 1000 का 1 0 goes, 1000 का 110 goes and removes this point, so it becomes 2. so 1000 में 1 0 went, 100 is left, and this is 100 into, sorry, this is 1000 into 0.025 will give you 25x. so this is 15x. 100 into 2 is 200 minus 25. 25 comes here, it becomes positive, children, and this 200 is left here. okay, now 15 plus 25 is how much? 40. so 40x is equals to 200. so x is equals to 200 divided by 40. x is equals to 5. okay children, I hope that you understood it in a very nice way, and this will really help you when you go to your standard 9th and 10th. so children, please stay tuned for many more sessions of fundamentals of mathematics. Please refer these videos to your friend, subscribe, like and comment if you like it. okay children, thank you so much. Have a nice day.